Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix shortcuts not working on iPhone after iOS 17 update. There are many common fixes if shortcut app is not working on your iPhone after iOS 17 update. Shortcut app in iPhone includes tons of great options for simplifying and automating multiple tasks with one click or voice command. If you notice your shortcuts not working after iOS 17 update, you are not alone. In this video I'll tell you how can you fix this problem, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is close the shortcuts app. Swipe from the bottom to the center of the screen to bring up the app switcher. To close the shortcuts app, swipe it up and off the top of the screen. You will know the shortcut app is closed when it is no longer appears in the app switcher, and you are done. And the next step is remove the shortcut widget. Some shortcuts don't work well in the widget. If you are not sure if your shortcut works well in the widget, you may want to remove the shortcut widget on your iPhone. For this, swipe left for the widgets and then touch and hold the widget on the home screen of your iPhone. Now tap on remove widget and then tap on remove again to confirm, and you are done. And the next step is recreate the shortcut. If you are still facing issues, try to delete and recreate the shortcut that is causing an error on your iPhone. For this, go to the shortcuts app. Tap on shortcuts at the top left side. Next, tap on edit. Tap one or more shortcuts. A checkmark appears in the upper right corner to indicate selection. And next, tap on delete. You can create a new shortcut by touching and holding the shortcut app icon in the home screen, and then tap on create shortcut. From here you can create your shortcut and you are done. And the next step is enable sync shortcuts on iPhone. To turn on iCloud sync on your iPhone, go to settings, scroll down and go to shortcut. Now turn on iCloud sync and you are done. And the next step is allow scripts to run from a shortcut due to the internet risk of running automation. For this, go to settings, scroll down and go to shortcuts app. Tap on it. Next, tap on advanced in the bottom. Now turn on allow running scripts and you are done. And the next step is turn your iPhone off and back on. For this, pressing quickly release the volume up button and do the same with the down button and press the power button. Next, slide to power off, then wait about 20 seconds, then press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo on your home screen, and you are done. And the next step is check for iOS update. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on general. Next, tap on software update. Wait until the page is loading. See if there is any update available, then tap on update now and update the latest version of iOS, and you are done. Next step is delete shortcuts app and reinstall. If you are still having trouble getting your iPhone shortcuts app to work properly, try deleting the app and reinstalling it. Press and hold on its app icon. Next, tap on remove app and then tap on delete app. Next, tap on delete again to confirm. After deleting shortcuts, launch the App Store and then tap the installation button to its right, and you are done. And the next step is reset all of your iPhone settings. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on general, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on transfer reset iPhone. Next, tap on reset and then tap on reset all settings. It might ask you to enter your passcode, so enter your passcode and follow the on-screen instruction to reset network settings, and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue of shortcuts not working on iPhone after iOS 17 update, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.